Hey guys! Welcome to Rohit's Tech World. In this video I will show you how to download and install uTorrent software. So let's start. Open any web browser. Type download uTorrent. Open the first link. Scroll down. Download uTorrent stable. uTorrent stable is now downloading. uTorrent stable is now downloaded. Double-click on the file to install uTorrent. Next. Agree. Next. Next. Finish. We have successfully installed uTorrent software. I hope this video was useful. Please like, share and subscribe, Rohit's Tech World.